want to toy with it. It's me, Sophia. Today we're going to do a
Guys, it's treasure hunt time. Are you ready, Sophia?
Yes!
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go find the blue bag. Where could it be? Can you see it? Wow, you found the bag! Let's go over here and sit down. What's inside?
Dolls!
Woo! Let's see. Open them up. Let's have a look.
A ruler!
Wow!
She's there.
She's lovely. Who else?
Belle!
Belle! Hi, Belle!
No.
Any more? Who's this?
Ariel!
Oh, hi, Ariel.
Cinderella!
Oh, you, wait a minute. She matches you. Wow, Cinderella.
Husband!
Hey, Jazzy. Is that them all?
Yes.
Let's have a look. Oh,
They all
wow.
have different
Aurora, you look so pretty. All you girls look so pretty. Guess what, Sophia?
Yes.
There's one more surprise. Do you know what it could be? It's an LOL surprise! And I'll give you a clue where it could be.
Let's put the dolls back in my bag.
Good idea.
So we can find the paper.
Oh, I can help. Yeah, get those dolls in there. Now, do you want a clue?
Yeah.
So, the LOL surprise is in a nearby tree. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go find it. Which tree? Can you see it?
Is that big one or small?
Whoa, can you see it? Can anyone see it? Oh, which tree could it be in? Oh, you're getting colder. Getting colder. Ooh, a little bit warmer. Colder, colder. Colder, colder, warmer. Ooh. Oh, no, no. Cold, cold, cold. Cold, very cold, ice cold. Ice cold. What about down this way? Hat, hat, hat. Oh my gosh, she found it.
Surprise.
My goodness. What kind of LOL ball? Show us.
Confetti pop.
Oh, wow. A confetti pop series 3.
And
Wow.
snuggle baby on the front.
That's so exciting. Should we go sit in the grass and open it?
Yeah.
Come on then, guys.
Come on. Should we open the ball? And this is a confetti pop series 3 wave 2. So let's open it.
Yay.
Sometimes these are hard to open. So, oh. Okay. Let's peel the zipper. And thank you for getting me this ball.
You're so welcome.
Here we go.
So exciting. Are you excited, girls? Yeah. We're all so excited. We can't wait to see what's in the ball. Hip hip hooray.
Do you want to see which doll?
Do
I
you
can
think?
see the secret message already, everybody. Look. See what might be as the secret message.
Oh, I'm
Just turn over.
excited. I love the secret messages.
I can see a piece of her ball. It's pink.
Ooh.
Like
Wonder
her
what.
last, like the ball in our last video, the little sister ball.
Oh yeah. What little sister did we get?
We got little boogie baby in the last one.
Oh yeah. Maybe from the bottom.
I put little boogie baby in her bag. It's working at the
Well
bottom.
done.
You're all right. It was working at the bottom.
I wonder what it could be. Are you going to open up the secret message?
You don't open it up.
No?
It's access for the C's for pets.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Maybe last. Okay, guys. So let's open it a wee bit more. There we go. Now we can see the secret message.
What is it?
It's catwalk. It's a new secret message for us, guys.
Cool. Can I see?
Catwalk.
I'll show everybody.
Is somebody walking?
So it is.
And a cat.
Catwalk. Well done.
So, let's open the next layer, everybody.
So guys, boys and girls at home, comment below and guess which LOL doll we're going to get and see if you're right.
Ooh. You guys have to keep ripping. Oh, I can see our collector's stickers.
So girls, have you got any
Oh,
ideas?
Show baby, guys, look.
Show baby?
Show baby.
Oh, hey, show baby. So girls, have you got any ideas who could be in there? Maybe Dollface?
She's
Maybe.
in the series 4. She's in the
Oh, sorry.
Actually, she's in the series, series 2.
Okay.
Let's open the last bit.
Super.
Ooh, let's get it for here. Where's our collector stickers? I can't find our collector stickers.
Oh.
We fell out.
Oh, let's have a look. Show everybody. Super.
Here you go, Mum.
Thank
Here's the catwalk.
you.
Okay, guys, this is the last layer. Let's open more. And after we get more surprises, we get flying bags after.
Wow.
After this layer, we get flying
Look at the
bags.
blind bags.
In these little pop thingies, you pop your stuff out. Do you need? It's a perfume bottle, okay?
Oh, lovely.
Here. Okay, now it's time to get rid of. Pew, pew, pew. That's rubbish. We don't need that.
Oh, I'll move that. Look at your beautiful shoes.
Let's take my sticker. Rubbish. Start here.
Okay.
This is where our ribbon is, everybody. Rubbish.
Thank you.
Rubbish.
Thank you.
Flying bag. Let's get our flying bag out.
You get the blind bag.
Ooh,
Gosh, it's tricky. It's
stuck in there. Ooh. Sorry, Dad.
oh. You get it? Ooh, what's inside?
I hope it's the outfit.
Do you think it could be?
Yeah.
And then will you know who it is, maybe?
Yeah. It's the outfit.
Let's see.
Oh, it's Flower Child. It's Flower Child. It's Flower Child.
Oh, wow.
It's Flower Child. Look.
That's so
I
pretty.
don't know if it's Flower Child or not.
Can we see?
Look, everybody. Look at his little dress.
It's so cute. Should we put it over here beside the stickers and everything? Look, girls, what do you think? Oh, wow, it's so cute. Yeah.
I wonder if it is actually Child. Flower Child. I'm going to go here.
Now, is this where you...
Aww.
No confetti yet?
Aww.
It's an empty slot.
It's empty slot.
What
I
does-
never got an empty slot.
Does that mean there'll be an extra surprise inside? Confetti
Oh, this is where our
pop.
ribbon is. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. What could this be? Oh, look at
Cute little high
those.
heels.
They are so cute.
High heels. Look. Look, girls.
Wow, they're gorgeous. Look. Oh, they're gonna look so pretty with her dress. Wow.
Okay, let's get another surprise open. Oh, get our ribbon out first.
Oh, are you gonna open the confetti pop now?
No, you have to keep it out the side till you open our surprise, because it can't confetti pop, everybody, if you leave the surprises.
Of course, that makes sense.
Look.
Okay. Now, is it time to open the ball?
Yep, it's time to confetti pop.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited!
Pop.
Wow!
Oh, it's big confetti, everybody. Look, where's child?
Wowee!
Where's child? Here's our stuff.
Oh, look! Oh.
2 flying bags.
What's this? The handle for the ball? Oh, that's super! And it's got a little.
Okay, let's get the whisk open.
Are you gonna open it?
This is an accessory, everybody. It's her headband, I think. I think it's a headband.
Okay.
It is. It's a headband,
It's
everybody.
got flowers on it. It's beautiful. Pink headband with flowers.
It's pink flowers.
Oh, gorgeous.
Let's pull out with.
Look at all her.
And now it's time to open the doll, guys.
Here comes the doll.
Right here. Blue eyes.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my
Mini splits.
Wow.
Flower child.
It's Flower Child, everyone. Yay! Let's see Flower Child.
It's a new doll for
Hi,
us.
Flower Child.
She's from the Glam Club.
She is gorgeous.
Let's get her dressed, everybody.
Good idea.
Okay.
We got a dress on.
Let's put her headband on.
Yay.
I wonder how she looks with her headband on.
Super cute.
She's got blue eyes.
She's got beautiful eyes, like your blue eyes.
Yes.
Oh. What's left? Oh, her water bottle. She's got her shoes on. She's got her beautiful pink dress on with flowers and her pink flower headband. She looks amazing. Oh gosh, look everybody. It's Flower Girl.
No, it's Flower Child.
Oh, sorry, no it's not. It's Flower Child. She is gorgeous.
No, pacifier, it was on Aurora.
Oh,
So, I never got pacifier. This is my first pacifier.
there she
Let's put it in.
is. Oh. Oh, she's so cute.
Get it, Bob? Thank you for watching Toy Wizard. Now, welcome. I hope you watch my next video next time. It's LOLs and Disney go to have a pool party at the pool.
Yay!
See you next time.
See you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.